Hello everybody. I want to talk about screws today. I have with me two different screws, two different Phillips screws. They look almost identical, but one, if you notice carefully, it has a small dot. This means that this is not a Phillips screw, this is a JIS screw. This kind of screws usually comes on Japanese equipment. In my case, this one was taken out of a Yamaha receiver. This was some wooden thingy screw. And these screws have been a problem for me for a long time. Because if you take a normal cheap bit Philips number 2, like everybody has this at home. You order something from some tools and they always bring this kind of screws. You use them to assemble your IKEA stuff and you put them in a nice bit holder and it fits more or less okay on this screw. But if you try to use it on this other screw, it fits really bad. And it feels like if you have to torque it to unscrew, it will ruin the screw head. So not to have this kind of problems, I decided to invest in a nice set of screwdrivers. And after some online research, I ended up buying this really nice PB Swiss. I cannot describe how good this handle feels. It's grippy, it's soft, it's really nice. And when you try to use it on a normal Phillips screw, it holds really well. It's there, it's stuck. It's really good screwdriver and highly recommended. However, if you try to use it with these ones, these JIS screws, the fit is not as good. I don't know if you can see in the video, there is some play and the screwdriver will not hold the screw. So I did a little research online and I ended up ordering directly from Japan these screwdrivers. These are Hozan. This is a Japanese brand. They make mostly professional tools and tools for bicycles, and these are very well made, I have to say. If I didn't have one of these as comparison, I would say that this one is it's very good, but this one feels better. However, they fit these JIS screws perfectly. Okay, it would fit even better if I was not using the wrong size. This is the number 2, the one that I should be using with this screw, and it fits perfectly. It's there. It's like with the PB Swiss. These are really well made, very nice tip, not as luxurious as the PB Swiss. I don't know how much they would cost in Japan. I know these specific screwdrivers are made by Vessel. Vessel makes beautiful tools. If you like tools like me, it's well worth some eBay research. Go to their site. I don't have anything to do with them, but I like their tools. This one's from Hozan. I got a 4-piece set. You have the most useful ones. You have the number 2, the number 1, the 0, and 00. If you own a Japanese motorcycle that you like to work on, if you have a Japanese car, if you work with audio equipment, if you do anything that needs opening screws, unscrewing things with these kind of screws, do yourself a favor. Spend 20 euros and get a set of these Hozans, or spend a little bit more and get a set of vessels. They are really worth it. Bye.